In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create SVGs. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so you can design clean vector graphics that scale beautifully and work with cutting machines like Cricut and Silhouette. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Choose a square canvas such as 1500 by 1500 pixels. Even though SVGs aren't pixel-based, a square workspace gives you plenty of room to design and preview your layout without feeling cramped. It also makes it easier to keep proportions consistent, which is especially helpful for icons, decals, and layered designs. Next, head to the Elements tab. Here, pick graphic elements like shapes, lines, and illustrations. Stick to graphics rather than photos. Photos are made of pixels and can't be converted into clean vector paths, which means they won't cut or scale the way you need. Simple geometric shapes, icons, and illustration-style graphics are ideal because they're already vector-friendly and produce crisp edges. Now customize your design. Arrange your elements, resize them, and apply colors that suit your project. You can also add text if you want names, labels, or slogans. Keep in mind that each distinct color can become a separate layer when you use a cutting machine. So color can help you plan how pieces will stack or be cut. Aim for clear shapes, good contrast, and thoughtful spacing. Canva's alignment guides make it easy to center or evenly space items so your final SVG looks professional. When you are happy with the layout, it's time to export. Click the Share button in the upper corner and choose Download. In the File Type drop-down, select SVG. This format preserves vector paths, which means your artwork can be scaled infinitely without losing quality. It's also lightweight and perfect for web use or crafting workflows. Before you download, check the Transparent Background option. This removes any unwanted background fill and ensures that only your shapes and text are included. For cutting machines, that's crucial. A solid background would become a big rectangle and interfere with your cut lines. Finally, click Download to save the file to your computer. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Your SVG is now ready to import into your cutting software or to use anywhere you need a crisp, scalable graphic. That's all it too. Thanks for watching.